Crazy platform to even build this here. Good on them. This is a little track. This one, it looks very off the grid. Definitely turns into a go track. This is definitely not tourist friendly. This hole is a step missing. This one's definitely more neglected. I can hear it. I think we might have to bar this one, because that is gnarly. Like, we are so high, and I'm pretty.
Yes.
Air Terjun Kuning Waterfall. Yeah. This is a little track. This one, it looks very off the grid. But this photo looks pretty cool, looks pretty big, so I'm pretty excited. Let's see how we go. I can hear it. I'm not seeing any snakes yet, so that's probably positive. Full jungle, it's amazing. This one's definitely more neglected. Tree down. Now, we didn't pay to go into this one, but I think maybe the old mate's gone out of the parking spot. There's probably going to be someone there, maybe. But you could theoretically just walk into this one if you're on a scooter or something. We'll see how it is on the way out. I don't know. This is definitely going to be probably no one here. See if I'm right. Super sunny. Had a little bit of a shower last night, but really it shouldn't really rain this week. It actually might have a shower tomorrow too, but again, we'll see how that's going to be. Hopefully it won't be substantial. Definitely turned into a go track. This is definitely not tourist friendly. Wow. It's a little hut thing down here, so someone's built some infrastructure. Got a viewing platform. Don't see anyone. I didn't expect that to be built after that was so narrow and nothing. It was unexpected. The gate even. Wow. Okay, gonna find a way to get in there. The trib they've made into a spring pretty much. Water's playing there. The gate fell off its hinges. So, looks like there's two waterfalls, sounds like it. This one's going to be running off here, and then you've got the trib. That trib is pumping, It's just wild. Crazy platform to even build this here. Good on them. It's not being maintained at all. They've improved this. I'm surprised. Most of the other waterfalls have like someone here chopping little things and really looking after it. This one is not. Wow, this might be hard to get up this creek. What a hectic section. I can see that waterfall there, so it might be a bit of a swim job too. This might be harder than I think. There was a sign for this. Oh, there's a step missing. It's probably why it's been, yeah, full neglected. Wow, okay. Let's see if we can get around this freaking thing. That is wild. I think we might have to bar this one, because that is gnarly. Like, we are so high, and I was pretty confident at the start, but like, realising there's a hole there, and this railing is so rusted away, I'm so nervous about even trying to walk over that, because that is a long drop down. You don't want to die right there on this rusty crab. It's a damn shame. But oh well, let's just get back up, because now I'm not even trusting the steps to even walk on. There's some big rust holes, like that is just wow. Okay, let's creep up and get that. That's definitely like, that is next level high. Did not expect this neglection. I wish there was just a dirt track to get down, but it's not. This would have been good 20 years ago. I don't know how it's rusted that much. Like, obviously it wasn't oxided or whatever. Coated. Crazy. Well, a glimpse of one is better than none, that's for sure. Wow. Let's see if there's another track over here. I don't think there is. That's going to be the only steps. Even the gate's falling off. It's pretty sign of, you know, just blocks. Trib, man-made, jiggy-majiggy. The water just leaks from everywhere, eh? Alright, we're going to be on to new and better things, so I hope you enjoyed that. At least you know what's going on. Apparently we spoke to a local and it's been closed before the pandemic, so they've just stopped maintaining it, which is pretty sad. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Catch the next one. Peace. Look at this viewpoint. It's sick. That'd be the volcano in the background. Wow.
Take the next left.